I think we all know how frustrating it can be storing our embroidery thread, with spools unraveling and tangling, along with dust and dirt getting all over the thread. I feel like I waste as much thread as I use. But that is exactly what makes Hemingway thread different. Hemingway's thread has this amazing cap and stopper system. The cap protects the thread from dust, oil, even UV rays. But I think my favorite feature might be the removable stopper. How many times have you lost your thread in, or had the thread just fall off the spool? The stopper traps the thread tail, preventing unraveling and tangling during storage. So, how do we use Hemingway thread? Well, each spool has a plastic sleeve wrapped around the thread, so remove that. Then bring the thread up through the cap opening at the top, and now you're ready to stitch. The cap even provides a smooth and easy thread feed, which can come from any direction. Then, when done stitching, place the rubber stopper back in the cap top, trapping the thread, so now there's no waste. The thread itself is amazing as well. Hemingway thread is a tri-lobal, high-quality, poly-select 40-weight embroidery thread. It is very attractive, vibrant, and glossy, and of course, resistant to thread breaks. Hemingway thread is also color fast. I mean, even when bleach is directly applied to it, it won't fade. I have found that Hemingway thread makes my embroidery process so easy and enjoyable, allowing me to spend my time creating all of the fun new embroidery projects instead of dealing with thread breaks. Start your Hemingway collection today at embroidery.com.